There are trillions of planets out there. So why is the universe silent? We've been searching for decades. Scanning the skies, listening for anything. But no signals. No visitors. No proof we're not alone. What if the problem isn't our technology? What if the truth is, there's no one left to find? Because every civilization reaches a point where it destroys itself. So the real question isn't, are we alone? It's this. Are we next? We live on a tiny world, floating in an endless dark, surrounded by billions of stars, and yet, completely alone. Across the universe, there are more planets than we can count. Worlds that could hold life, just like ours. And for decades, we've been searching, listening, watching, scanning the sky, waiting for a signal. Massive telescopes sweep the cosmos, day after day, night after night. But no matter where we look, there's nothing. Because life isn't easy. It took billions of years just for Earth to become alive. From simple chemistry to something that could grow, adapt, and survive. Tiny cells drifting in the ocean. The first step towards something far greater. A violent planet. Storms, fire, and chaos. And somehow, life made it through. Until one day, that life became us. A civilization that could light up the night. Scientists call this progress. The Kardashev Scale. A way to measure how powerful a civilization becomes. And right now, we're not even at level 1. We're just beginning. Still learning how to use energy. From wind, water, and the sun. Still far from control. But slowly, we're changing. Building a cleaner, more advanced world. We're trying to unlock fusion energy. The same power that fuels the stars. And now, there's something new. Something growing faster than we ever expected. Artificial intelligence. Designing, discovering, creating things we don't fully understand yet. It could save us. Or it could be the thing that ends everything. Because once we cross this line, there's no going back. This is where everything changes. At the same time, we face risks everywhere. Climate, war, collapse. All building together. And maybe this is the moment. The barrier that most civilizations never pass. Across the universe, others may have tried. They rose, just like us. And then, they vanished, leaving behind only silence, dead worlds, broken structures, echoes of something that once existed. So the question grows louder with every discovery. If the universe is full, where is everyone? Because if a civilization survived, it wouldn't stay small. It would grow far beyond its planet, capturing the power of its star, building structures on a scale we can barely imagine, tearing apart entire planets for resources, turning worlds into fuel for expansion, constructing massive systems in space, machines the size of continents, built to harness pure energy. A true Type 1 civilization would transform Earth completely. No scarcity, no limits, reaching into space, with structures connecting planet to orbit, a bridge to the stars, spreading beyond
Colony
Earth,
status is green.
to the
Domes are
moon,
stable.
to Mars,
Affirmative.
becoming
Construction
something
protocol complete.
no longer
Copy
bound
that.
to one
Proceed
world,
to the next sector.
even controlling stars themselves, redirecting their power reshaping entire systems, sending machines outward, to explore, to replicate, to expand, each one building more of itself, spreading further, faster, unstoppable, until slowly, the entire galaxy begins to change. Light spreading, from star to star, a civilization that spans everything, billions of systems, connected, alive, computing power beyond imagination, structures built around stars, processing reality itself. And maybe, at that point, they're no longer human at all. And yet, when we look out, we see nothing. Just silence. A quiet universe. Waiting. So maybe the real question isn't, are we alone?